Are you looking for Qi 2.2 wireless charging? Well, let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at two products from Baseus with Qi 2.2. We got a 3-in-1 charger and a MagSafe power bank. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we'll do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. First up, we're going to take a look at the Baseus Picogo AM61. This is a 10,000 mAh 45 watt Qi 2.2 power bank. Looks very nice. Packaging here is always fantastic, but again, that's kind of what we expect from Baseus, is high quality packaging and amazing products, and they never let you down. Let's open it up. We've got super cute stickers, and we've got our quick start guide, and we have our little manual right here as well. This is an in-depth one, so everything you need to understand it and get started right here in the box. And now the product itself. Wow. Look at this. Gorgeous. That just looks fantastic. Got a USB-C port right here on the back. We've got a super long USB-C cable right here, which is included. So that is super cool that we got that. It's super nice. And look at that. It just kind of slides right in there, and then boom. You don't really have to worry about losing it or anything like that. So right there, of course, we got our wireless charging here on the back. Everything just looks great. We've got our lights up here on the front to understand how much battery you got. Very cool. Next up, we got this Baseus Picogo AF21 portable 3-in-1 charger, and this also has the Qi 2.2 in it as well. So very nice. Foldable and portable design. Again, packaging is just gorgeous. Look at this. My goodness, their stuff is always so high quality. Let's open it up. First thing you see in the box is cute stickers and a quick start guide here. And again, this is just going to teach you everything you need to know about the product and how to get the most out of it, and then also support if you have any issues. We've got a USB-C to C cable here, and it looks like a pretty long cable, so super nice. A 45 watt charging brick is also included, and wow. Look at that. Nice. Saves you some space. Plug this in, then plug it into the 3-in-1 charging dock, and you're good to go. And right here is the dock. Wow, look at this thing. Oh my goodness, that's gorgeous. Looks like we've got a little flip out here as well. Whoa! For an Apple Watch. Look at that. That's also included. So you charge your phone and your Apple Watch over here at the same time, high or on the side. Whoa, it turns down low too. This thing is awesome. Right here on the back, we've got a USB-C port as well. And do keep in mind though, this USB-C port will be to plug the power in. So, you know, that 45 watt brick is going to run from that into this and give this power. But right there is all you need. So let's go ahead and try them both out.
Today we're going to be taking a look at the new Baseus Picogo items with Qi 2.2. First off, we have the MagSafe portable charger power bank that's 10,000 mAh at 45 watts with Qi 2.2. It's got the Qi 2.2 latest certification, so you can experience ultra-fast 25 watt wireless charging, up to 50% faster than the standard 15 watt MagSafe. It delivers maximum wireless compatibility and efficiency, making it an ideal MagSafe charger for iPhone 17 and Samsung devices. 45 watts of high-speed wired charging via the USB-C port, so this power bank significantly reduces charging time. You can charge multiple devices simultaneously with the 10,000 mAh capacity. It's designed for modern needs, so two-way fast charging. It's built with an impact-resistant housing and high-grade battery cells for long-lasting performance. This compact 10,000 mAh capacity provides a reliable power for a full day and can be freely imported into and exported from Europe and the United States. It's built with graphene material, upgraded battery cells, and intelligent temperature control, and stronger magnetic alignment and premium design. The powerful array of magnets lets you snap your iPhone 17 Pro Max on firmly, ensuring perfect attachment every time. Next up, we have the Baseus Picogo Qi 2.2 25 watt 3-in-1 charging station. The latest Qi 2.2 fast charging charging technology, so it can instantly power up an iPhone 16 Pro Max to 50% in just around 30 minutes, and 56% faster than the Qi 2 15-watt charging. It's got 3-in-1 Apple charging stations, so you can power your iPhone, your Apple Watch, your AirPods all in one with this compact charger. It's widely compatible though with iPhone 12 and newer all Apple Watch models, S1 through S10, SE and Ultra, and Qi-enabled earbuds, so you can keep all your essentials ready to go with this all-in-one Apple charging station. Compact and travel-friendly, it's folded to be as small as a deck of cards with the size only at 2.97 inches by 3.15 inches by 1.5 inches, and it's as lightweight as an apple. That's 0.56 pounds. And enjoy wireless charging, convenience, and peace of mind. This also has the magnetic precision, so it's easy to auto-align, ensuring higher charging efficiency and a strong stable connections with the 16M 52M magnets. Adjustable viewing angle, this wireless charging base has 0 to 55 degrees with the phone panel at 0 to 115 degrees, and watch panel rotates 180 degrees, providing the best viewing and charging position. 45-watt adapter and cable included. The Baseus 3-in-1 wireless charger comes with a 45-watt power supply and 3.5 feet Type-C to C cable. Picogo items are fantastic and another amazing addition to the Baseus line of products. Great job!
As you know, we've worked with Baseus in the past multiple times, and it's awesome that they keep staying proper and updated with all the newest technology. Having Qi 2.2 wireless products with the Baseus quality is just it's super nice. We want to give a huge shout out to Baseus for sponsoring this video. You can find all the links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye!